Hello students, good morning. I am your Prakash sir, English teacher, and today I will help you to solve the exercise for the chapter. This is subject verb agreement. This is subject verb agreement. Yes, we have learned this chapter, subject verb agreement. So open your book, just you pause the video and open your book, the exercise, page number 21, exercise A, section A, right? And fill the exercise with me. I'm guiding you how to how will you fill, right? So are you prepared? I think you are. And now I start it. So first is mathematics. Mathematics S, last is S. So when it seems like a plural, but it acts as singular. So mathematics is a large crowd. A large crowd is. A large crowd is. Again, the pair of globes belongs. 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 A pair of gloves belongs. These scissors need. A large number of people have. All the furniture of the house is. Good advice is. A pair of trousers was. A pair of trousers के बाद पहले a pair of लगा होगा, a pair of लगा, the pair of लगा होगा तो singular, pair of लगा होगा singular, pair of नहीं लगा होगा scissor need, not needs, right? Warm clothes are. A pair of shoes was. A pair of was. Most of the traffic go. Most of the traffic go. The kettle is. Good is. People was. Where. People were. A group of people was. So we have completed first exercise. So come with now second exercise. B. In spite of all my advice. In spite of all my advice. He gave me a great deal of trouble. Right? Houses are often made of stone, not stones. He gave us all the information, not informations. Do you like Shelley's poetry, not poetries? 500, not hundreds. I bought 3 dozen, not dozens. Who are these cattle, not cattles? Vitamins नहीं होगा, vitamin होगा, vitamin. Sorry, not vitamin. Just I have spelled it wrong. It is a vermin. There are many different people. So turn the page and go to next. All the machinery. A stationary sells stationery sells stationery, right? Their offerings, not offerings, offering. Do you know the Hindi alphabet? We lost the match by an inning, not innings, right? So next, come to next. Now this is section A for the next exercise of this chapter. This is page number 25. So say it. Either the physician in this hospital or the chief administrator is going. ठीक है. Neither the management nor the union is, neither nor से जुड़ा हुआ है. Some of the votes same, some of the votes same. Next, dirty drains and unclear surroundings cause, not causes. Everyone selected to serve on his committee has. He seems to forget that there are, ठीक है. There has to be some people left in the village. Has. Three of the students. 3/4 of the students are, 3/4 plural हो गया. 3/4 of the student body is against summer vacation. ठीक है. The big dog has, right, up to this again. The orange in your orchard are, the orange are Tina, Shoma and Deepa meet. A large house with many windows, a large house is Mr. Mehra and her husband want to move. Everyone in the high school band march. Everyone in the high school band. March. ठीक है. One of the cats, ठीक है, has a group. The group agrees. The friend has or have gone. Friends have gone. Neither the teacher nor the neither the teacher neither nor say has. Several of the students were, right. So students, एक चैप्टर और रहता है, इसे तुम आगे कर लोगे एंड आई थिंक यू कैन नाउ कंप्लीट. सो रीराइट करने के लिए जो है उसमें उसको कर लोगे तुम लोग, और या फिर स्कूल जब शुरू होगी तब हम करवा देंगे. अभी इतना कर लो. और क्या करना है, चलो इस एक्सरसाइज में इतना कर सकते हो. और कुछ करना, इसको भी करवा लो, सेक्शन डी को भी करवा लो. ठीक है. द कोकोनट एंड द treasures have the house with its contents. The house was three parts of the business is in my hand. Curry and rice is his favorite food. ठीक है. Good news is everyone of his friends. Everyone is a great number of people have. A lot of money has. All people have. Yes. All the luggage has. Most of the houses in this street, most of the houses in the street are new, right? So students, we have completed the exercise of the chapter. This is subject verb agreement. So do it in your book, and after that learn it, revise it. If you have any problem or you want to know something more about it, you can call me. I'm available on my phone number, that is 8969499000. You can call me up there for any assistance. Thank you.